Throughout the pressure pumping industry, there are a number of inherently dangerous situations that could possibly lead to serious injury or death on site. As seen in this video produced by Schlumberger, one of the most dangerous of these situations is the catastrophic failure of an unrestrained flow line. When watching this video again, look to the lower portion of the screen. A steel hose loop can be seen flying outward. In the upper portion of the screen, notice the pup joint that is launched airborne. This piece of iron was found more than 200 yards away. Flying components and whipping pipe could easily result in the death of personnel on site if there is no limitation to the movement of the flow line. Weir SPM customers challenged the company to develop a product that would greatly decrease the potential danger to personnel during a flow line rupture. As a result, Weir SPM developed its award-winning Flow Line Safety Restraint System, or FSR. The FSR is designed to greatly reduce the area of destruction around a flow line rupture and prevent flow line components from being sent airborne towards people and equipment. The FSR is composed of lightweight yet incredibly durable components, designed to increase safety on site without greatly extending the time required to rig up on site. FSR components include ribs, spines, and anchor assemblies. No special tools are required for the installation of FSR. FSR ribs are wrapped around all connections, including piping, valves, swivels, and crossovers. Ribs are available to fit 2-inch through 4-inch flow lines. FSR spines are then linked together and threaded through the ribs, creating a sturdy connection throughout the length of the flow line. The ends of the ribs, as well as separate anchor lines, are then secured to anchor points on site, such as a pumping unit. Please refer to the FSR manual for specific installation instruction. FSR components should never be used as lifting slings, and standard lifting slings are not suitable as a substitute for FSR components. In this video, Weir SPM tested the FSR in a controlled situation. We do not recommend customers try to replicate this test. A simulated well was set up and nitrogen was pumped through the flow line. Weir SPM did not install a standard check valve in the flow line and anticipated failure at 15,000 psi, with the entire contents of the well being discharged through the flow line. Notice how the flow line was restrained to a limited area of danger. In this test, as anticipated, the flow line ruptured at 15,000 psi. Also, there was an unplanned secondary rupture. In both cases, the flow line was properly restrained. The sheer force of the rupture bent this steel piping almost 45 degrees. In 2002, the FSR was installed during a flow line rupture in New Mexico. In this instance, a flow line utilizing the FSR, pumping nitrogen, ruptured at 4,900 psi. The flow line was properly restrained, and the FSR also helped prevent the flow line from striking a second active well on site. The customer estimated that at least 3 lives were saved in this instance. Weir SPM now offers the Flow Line Safety Restraint System in convenient rental packages, allowing customers to meet the increasingly stringent safety requirements of operators without the upfront capital investment and inventory maintenance of the product. Weir SPM operates rental units, convenient trailer or shipping container configurations that are sent to the customer's location. Trained Weir SPM technicians also perform on-site installation procedures, ensuring product is properly installed. FSR rental units are certified regularly, and components feature tags marking recent inspection dates. Upon completion of the job, FSR pieces are picked up and returned to the nearest Weir SPM service center. The FSR system is available for onshore and offshore applications. Weir SPM's Flow Line Safety Restraint System is highly recommended on all high-pressure pumping operations and should be made mandatory on energized fluid operations. Weir SPM feels that comprehensive training is an important aspect for a safe and reliable installation of the FSR system. Therefore, Weir SPM provides 3 levels of training certification to ensure that Weir SPM, as well as customer personnel, are well versed and certified in the latest FSR installation techniques to ensure a safe and reliable operating environment.